6 amazing cleaning tips to allergy-proof your home. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again and welcome to another new cleaning blog in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video in this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning, and also you will get a bonus tip at the ending of the video. Making your house unfavorable to allergens seems like a difficult task. In a certain sense, it will be you against countless mold spores, pollen, and dust mites. The good thing is that you are smarter than all these million-minute microbes. Listed below are a few tips that can help you keep allergies far away. 1. Clean the air. Having a house that is well ventilated and ductwork that is not leaking are the very first things you need to do to make sure that you are not bringing allergens inside your home. Think about your air conditioning system. Be sure that you have a high-efficiency air or HEPA filter. Be sure to keep the humidity level inside your house at around 50%. Mold loves moisture, while dry air is the favorite of pollen and dust. Since most dehumidifiers are made to treat a single room, you can use that to target the basement, kitchen, and bathrooms first. Search for large capacity units that work more efficiently and much faster. Likewise, search for units that come with washable filters, sturdy wheels, and quiet operation. Clean and empty them on a regular basis, or you will be growing more mold instead of destroying them. You also have to keep your windows closed whenever pollen counts are extremely high, especially in the early morning hours and during windy conditions. Mold spores and pollen can settle on clothing, so once you come home, be sure to take off your outer garments in the mudroom and then go get a shower. Number 2. Clean up the mess. If you have less stuff in your home, then allergens will only have fewer places they can hang out. So be sure to clean your home as often as you can, or at least once a week. Take out old rags, clothes, newspapers, as well as other porous items. Limit items that catch dust and you don't use at all. Since you are spending most of your time in your bedroom, be sure to clean that part of your home thoroughly. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 3. Tidy up the cleaning room. Your bathroom is prone to mold growth, while your bedroom is prone to dust mites. When cleaning the bathroom, don't forget to inspect the water pipes and check for leaks. In case you found one, be sure to fix it right away. You also have to clean the walls regularly. It is also important for you to run the ventilation fans for 30 minutes after taking a bath or shower. Number 4. Get rid of sources of dust. Carpeting and fabrics add to the dust buildup in your house. If you have lots of curtains, carpets and upholstered furniture at home, be sure to have them cleaned regularly. Number 5. Choosing indoor plants and trees. The sticky and yellow pollen that bees carry from one plant to another rarely causes allergic reactions. It is the lightweight and fine particles that come with the wind that trigger them. You have to avoid adding trees that can cause allergic reactions like birch, ash, and male maple to the landscape. Some good options include magnolia and dogwood. If you are bringing your plants inside your house over winter, mold tends to come along. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about on how to clean your washing machine. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.